Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a tool that is seriously shaking up how videos get made. It's called Synthesia AI. If you've ever thought, man, creating professional videos is just too hard and expensive, then you're gonna want to stick around for this. Let's kick things off with the big problem Synthesia was built to solve.
I mean, that just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? This quote is so relatable because we all know we need to be using video. It's essential. But the reality of actually making it, yeah, that's often a huge barrier that stops great ideas in their tracks. So let's break down that headache a little bit. What exactly are we talking about here? What makes old school video production such a pain for pretty much everyone? Okay, here are the big ones. First off, it's just incredibly expensive. You're talking cameras, studios, actors, editors. The costs add up fast. It's also super time-consuming. We're talking weeks, even months, to get a final product. Plus, you kind of have to be a tech expert. But you know the real killer? Trying to scale up or just update something. Let's say you need to change one tiny detail in a video. More often than not, you have to go back and reshoot the whole thing. It's a total logistical nightmare. But what if there was a way to just bypass all of that, to skip the headaches entirely? Well, that's exactly where Synthesia AI steps in. It was designed from the ground up to solve these exact problems. So what is it, really? At its heart, Synthesia is an AI platform that lets you create high-quality videos just by typing a script. That's it. No cameras, no mics, no actors, no complicated software. You just give it the text, and the AI generates a whole video for you. And this isn't just some experimental toy. It's already proven itself at the highest levels. We're talking some of the biggest companies in the world are already using it to make their content creation way faster, cheaper, and just more efficient.
Now get this, over 140 supported languages. Just let that sink in for a second. This completely changes the game. It's not just about creating one video, it's about being able to instantly scale that video for a global audience. A single feature like that can transform a company's entire training or marketing strategy, like overnight.
Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. What are the core features that make this platform so powerful? The process is actually so simple. It really boils down to 3 steps. First, you add your script. You can type it, paste it, whatever works. Second, you pick an AI avatar to be your presenter from a huge library. And third, you just click Generate. In a few minutes, you have a finished, polished video. Honestly, it's as easy as making a PowerPoint presentation. And remember those 140+ languages we just talked about? This is where that power really shines. On one side, you've got the old way of localizing video. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's a logistical mess with different agencies. On the other side, you've got Synthesia's one-click AI solution. The difference is just staggering. And Synthia is really built for how professional teams work. You can create custom avatars that perfectly match your brand, you can have your whole team collaborate in real time, and you can customize everything to stay on brand. Plus, you can update videos with a single click and even track how they're performing with analytics. It's the whole shebang. Here's another feature that's just a lifesaver: screen recordings. You know how you record a demo and you stumble over your words, saying and a million times? Well, Synthesia's smart transcript just automatically zaps them. It cleans up your audio for you so you sound perfectly polished without having to do any tedious editing. It's awesome. Now, for any big business, security is absolutely non-negotiable, and Synthesia is built to be enterprise-ready. It's got all the top-tier certifications for data security and compliance, from SOC 2 to GDPR, and it supports single sign-on. This basically means companies can roll it out and know their data is safe. So, with all these incredible features, who's actually getting the most value out of a tool like this? Let's take a look at the ideal users. The user base here is super diverse. I mean, think about it. A corporate training team can now localize one onboarding course for 50 different countries in a single afternoon. A marketing team can create a unique video ad for every single product they sell without a single photo shoot. Customer support can turn confusing guides into simple how-to videos. And of course, individual creators can finally produce that high-quality content they've been dreaming of without needing a studio. All right, we've covered the problem, the solution, the awesome features, and who this is for. So what's the final takeaway here? What's the bottom line? First, a super quick look at pricing. There is a free plan, which is perfect for just trying out and making short stuff. But the paid plans are really where the power for businesses is unlocked.
That's where you get the custom avatars, the team collaboration tools, and all the integrations you need to really scale your video strategy.
Ultimately, it really all comes down to this. If your goal is to create professional video content quickly and you need to do it at scale, Synthesia is positioning itself as the go-to platform. It just balances that quality, speed, and scalability in a way that traditional methods just can't compete with.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. Just imagine, for your own work, your team, or your brand, what if the barrier to making a video was just gone? When it becomes as simple as typing a script, what new ideas could you finally bring to life? That's the future Synthesia is building.